अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू न्यू वीडियो। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम 9th क्लास के बायोलॉजी का चैप्टर नंबर 5 सेल साइकिल्स इसको स्टार्ट करेंगे और इसका सेल साइकिल का टॉपिक को डिस्कस करेंगे। तो हम डिस्कशन को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम इसके इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में पढ़ लेते हैं। द मोस्ट बेसिक करेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ लाइफ इज़ अ reproduction. Reproductions occur at different level of organizations. Part of cells such as chromosomes produce a new chromosomes, cell produce new cells, and individual produce offspring like themselves. If we recall from chapter 1, we should remember a Rudolph Virtue. He proposed an important biological principle, and all cells come from cells. These principles tell us the continuations of life, including all the aspects of reproduction, is based on the reproduction of cells. We commonly refer cellular respiration as cell division, and it is a part of whole life of cells. Cell cycle. Cell cycles. Cell cycle is the series of events from the life a cell is produced until it completes a mitosis and the produce new cells. Cell cycle consists of two major phases: interphase and the meiotic phase, M phase. Mitotic phase is the relatively short period of cell divisions. It alternates with the much longer interphase, which cell prepares itself for division. Interphase is a time when a cell metabolic activity is very high and it performs its various functions. It is divided into three phases: G1 first gap, S synthesis, and G2 second gap. G1 phase. After its production, a cell starts its cell cycles in G1 phase. During this phase, cell increases its supplies of protein, increase the number of its organelles such as mitochondria and ribosomes, and grow in size. This phase is also marked by the synthesis of various enzymes that are required in next phase, as phase for the duplication of chromosomes. Now we discuss about the S phase. In this phase, cell duplicates its chromosomes. As a result, each chromosome consists of two sister chromides. G2 phase. In G2 phase, cells prepare proteins that are essential for mitosis, mainly for the production of spindle fibers. After the G2 phase of interphase, cells enters the division phase, M phase. It is characterized by the mitosis in which cell divides into the two daughter cells. Cells that have temporarily or permanently stopped dividing and are said to have entered a state of quiescence called G0 phase. G0 phase. In multicellular eukaryotic cells enter G0 phase from the G1 and stop dividing. Some cells remains in G0 for indefinite period. Neurons. Some cells enters G0 phase semi-permeably permanently. Some cells of liver and kidney. Many cells do not enter G0 phase and continue to divide throughout an organism's life. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एपिथेलियल सेल्स। तो ये थी आज की हमारी वीडियो। उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। वीडियो पसंद आई वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।